If you not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button for more videos. Hello students. Welcome back to our Class 11 Biology series. Today we are going to learn one of the most important and exam-focused chapters, cell cycle and cell division. Have you ever thought how a baby grows from a single cell into a full human body? Or how a small wound on your skin heals after a few days? The answer is cell division. Every living organism starts life from a single cell. That one cell divides again and again, forming millions and billions of cells. But this division must happen carefully, because DNA has to be copied correctly and distributed equally. So today we will understand cell cycle, interphase, mitosis, cytokinesis, meiosis, crossing over, and why mitosis and meiosis are important in our life. Let's start the lesson in a very simple way. Full lesson explanation in easy English. 1. What is cell cycle? A cell cycle is the complete sequence of events by which a cell grows, copies its DNA, and divides into two daughter cells. Simple meaning. A cell's life from one division to the next division is called the cell cycle. Real life example. Think of a school exam photocopy process. Before giving question papers to students, the teacher first prepares the original paper, then photocopies it, checks it, arranges it, and finally distributes it. Similarly, a cell first grows, copies DNA, checks everything, and then divides. Two main phases of cell cycle. The cell cycle has two main phases. Interphase, preparation phase. M phase, actual division phase. In human cells, the cell cycle usually takes around 24 hours, but actual cell division takes only about 1 hour. Most of the time is spent in preparation. 3. Interphase. Interphase is not a sleeping phase. It is a very active preparation phase. It has 3 parts. G1 phase. Cell grows and carries out normal metabolic activities. DNA is not copied yet. S phase. DNA replication happens. DNA amount doubles from 2C to 4C, but chromosome number remains the same. G2 phase. Cell continues growing and prepares proteins needed for mitosis. Real life example. Before a shop opens, workers clean the shop, arrange items, check stock, and prepare billing machines. That preparation is like interphase. 4. G0 phase. Some cells stop dividing and enter a resting phase called G0 phase. These cells remain active but do not divide regularly. Example. Heart cells usually do not divide actively in adult animals. Simple idea. G0 phase is like a retired person who is not working daily but is still alive and active. M phase / mitosis. M phase is the phase where actual cell division happens. Mitosis is also called equational division because the daughter cells get the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Example. If parent cell has 46 chromosomes, each daughter cell also gets 46 chromosomes. Mitosis has 2 main parts. Karyokinesis, division of nucleus. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Stages of mitosis. 1. Prophase. Chromatin condenses and becomes visible chromosomes. Each chromosome has 2 sister chromatids joined at the centromere. Centrosomes move to opposite poles and spindle fibers form. Easy memory. Prophase equals packing phase. DNA threads become thick chromosome packets. 2. Metaphase. Chromosomes align at the center of the cell on the metaphase plate. Spindle fibers attach to kinetochores. Easy memory. Metaphase equals middle phase. Chromosomes stand in the middle. 3. Anaphase. Centromeres split. Sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. Easy memory. Anaphase equals apart phase. Chromatids move apart. 4. Telophase. Chromosomes reach opposite poles and decondense. Nuclear envelope, nucleolus, and Golgi reform. Easy memory. Telophase equals 2 nuclei phase. Cytokinesis. After nucleus division, cytoplasm divides. In animal cells, a furrow forms and pinches the cell into two. In plant cells, a cell plate forms in the center and grows outward to form a new wall. Real-life example. Animal cell cytokinesis is like tying a soft balloon in the middle until it becomes two parts. Plant cell cytokinesis is like building a wall in the middle of a room. Significance of mitosis. Mitosis is important for growth of multicellular organisms, repair of damaged tissues, replacement of old cells, maintaining chromosome number, continuous growth in plants through meristematic tissues. Example. When you get a cut on your skin, new cells are produced by mitosis to heal the wound. Meiosis. Meiosis is a special type of cell division that reduces chromosome number by half. It produces haploid gametes. Example. Human body cells have 46 chromosomes. But sperm and egg have only 23 chromosomes. This happens because of meiosis. When sperm and egg fuse during fertilization, chromosome number becomes 46 again. So meiosis maintains chromosome number across generations. Key features of meiosis. Meiosis has two divisions. Meiosis I and meiosis II. Only one DNA replication happens before meiosis. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed at the end. Crossing over occurs, which creates variation. Meiosis I. Meiosis I is called reduction division because chromosome number is reduced by half. Prophase I. Prophase I is long and complex. It has 5 stages. Leptotene, chromosomes become visible. Zygotene, homologous chromosomes pair. This pairing is called synapsis. Pachytene, crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatids. Diplotene, chiasmata become visible. Diakinesis, chromosomes fully condense and nuclear envelope breaks down. Easy memory. LZPDD. Leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene, diakinesis. Metaphase I. Homologous chromosome pairs align at the equator. Anaphase I. Homologous chromosomes separate and move to opposite poles. Sister chromatids remain together. Telophase I. 2 haploid cells are formed. This stage is followed by a short resting phase called interkinesis. No DNA replication happens during interkinesis. Meiosis II. Meiosis II is similar to mitosis. Prophase II. Chromosomes condense again and nuclear membrane disappears. Metaphase II. Chromosomes align at the equator. Anaphase II. Centromeres split and sister chromatids separate. Telophase II. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Significance of meiosis. Meiosis is important because it forms gametes. It maintains chromosome number of a species. It creates genetic variation through crossing over. It helps evolution. Real-life example. Children look similar to parents but not exactly the same. This variation is partly because of meiosis and crossing over. Teacher, student question and answer dialogue. Student, ma'am, why do cells divide? Teacher, cells divide for growth, repair, replacement, and reproduction. For example, your skin wound heals because cells divide. Student, what is cell cycle? Teacher, the sequence of events from one cell division to the next is called cell cycle. Student, what happens in S phase? Teacher, DNA replication happens. DNA amount doubles, but chromosome number remains the same. Student, why is mitosis called equational division? Teacher, because parent and daughter cells have the same chromosome number. Student, what is cytokinesis? Teacher, division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. Student, what is the difference between plant and animal cytokinesis? Teacher, Animal cells form a furrow. Plant cells form a cell plate. Student, what is meiosis? Teacher, meiosis is reduction division. It reduces chromosome number by half and forms gametes. Student, what is crossing over? Teacher, exchange of genetic material between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes is called crossing over. Student, why is meiosis important? Teacher, it maintains chromosome number and creates variation. Student, which stage is best to study chromosome shape? Teacher, metaphase, because chromosomes are fully condensed and clearly visible. Exam-focused important questions with answers. 1. What is the average cell cycle span for a mammalian cell? The average cell cycle span for a mammalian cell is about 24 hours. 2. Distinguish karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. 3. What is G0 phase? G0 phase is the inactive or quiescent stage of the cell cycle. Cells remain metabolically active but do not divide unless required. 4. Why is mitosis called equational division? Mitosis is called equational division because daughter cells receive the same chromosome number as the parent cell. 5. What happens in metaphase? Chromosomes align at the equatorial plate and spindle fibers attach to kinetochores. 6. What happens in anaphase of mitosis? Centromeres split and sister chromatids move to opposite poles. 7. What is synapsis? Pairing of homologous chromosomes during zygote of prophase is called synapsis. 8. What is bivalent? A pair of homologous chromosomes joined together during prophase is called a bivalent or tetrad. 9. What is chiasmata? Chiasmata are X-shaped points where crossing over has occurred between homologous chromosomes. 10. What is the significance of meiosis? Meiosis forms haploid gametes, maintains chromosome number across generations, creates genetic variation and supports evolution. Mitosis vs meiosis easy comparison. Feature mitosis meiosis. Type equational division reduction division. Number of divisions 1 2. Daughter cells 2 4. Chromosome number same as parent half of parent. Occurs in somatic cells germ cells. Function growth and repair gamete formation. Variation no major variation creates variation. Crossing over absent present. Real life examples for better understanding. Cell cycle, like preparing, copying, and distributing exam papers. Mitosis, like making identical photocopies. Meiosis, like mixing cards from father and mother to create new combinations. Crossing over, like exchanging pieces between two similar recipe books, creating a new recipe. Cytokinesis in animal cell, like pinching a softball into two. Cytokinesis in plant cell, like building a wall in the middle of a room.
Tamil story narration for students. ஒரு சிறிய கிராமத்தில் செல் ராஜா என்ற ஒரு சிறிய செல் இருந்தது. அந்த செல் தனியாக இருந்தாலும் அதற்குள் பெரிய வேலை நடந்து கொண்டே இருந்தது. ஒரு நாள் செல் ராஜா சொன்னது, நான் பெரிய உடலை உருவாக்க வேண்டும், அதற்காக நான் வளர வேண்டும், என் டிஎன்ஏவை நகல் எடுக்க வேண்டும், பிறகு 2 செல்களாக பிரிய வேண்டும். முதலில் அது G1 ஃபேஸ்க்கு சென்றது. அங்கே அது உணவு எடுத்துக்கொண்டு வளர்ந்தது. இது ஒரு மாணவன் தேர்வுக்கு முன் புத்தகங்களை ஒழுங்குபடுத்துவது போல. பிறகு அது S ஃபேஸ்க்கு சென்றது. அங்கே அதன் டிஎன்ஏ நகல் எடுக்கப்பட்டது. இது ஒரு முக்கியமான நோட்ஸை ஜெராக்ஸ் எடுப்பது போல. பிறகு G2 ஃபேஸில் அது கடைசி தயாரிப்பை செய்தது. எல்லாம் சரியா என்று ஒரு முறை சோதித்தது. அதன்பின் M ஃபேஸ் ஆரம்பமானது. முதலில் ப்ரோஃபேஸ் வந்தது. டிஎன்ஏ நூல் போல இருந்தது. அது சுருண்டு குரோமோசோம் ஆக மாறியது. பிறகு மெட்டஃபேஸ் வந்தது. எல்லா குரோமோசோம்ஸும் நடுவில் வரிசையாக நின்றது. இது அசெம்பிளியில் மாணவர்கள் வரிசையாக நிற்பது போல. பிறகு அனஃபேஸ் வந்தது. சிஸ்டோக்ரோமடிக்ஸ் இரு பக்கங்களாக பிரிந்து சென்றது. பிறகு தெலோஃபேஸ் வந்தது. 2 புதிய நியூக்ளியஸ் உருவானது. கடைசியாக சைட்டோகினேசிஸ் நடந்தது. ஒரு செல் 2 செல்களாக பிரிந்தது. செல் ராஜா மகிழ்ச்சியாக சொன்னது, இப்போது நான் 2 செல்களாகி விட்டேன். இதுதான் மைட்டோசிஸ். இதனால் உடல் வளரும், காயமாறும், பழைய செல்கள் மாற்றப்படும். ஆனால் இன்னொரு நாள் செல் ராஜா ரீப்ரொடக்ஷன் பற்றி கற்றுக்கொண்டது. அப்போது ஆசிரியர் சொன்னார், மகனே, கேமெட்டை உருவாகும் போது குரோமோசோம் நம்பர் பாதியாக குறைய வேண்டும். அதுதான் மெயோசிஸ். மெயோசிஸ் 2 டிவிஷன் நடந்தது. மெயோசிஸ் ஐல் ஹோமோலோகஸ் குரோமோசோம்ஸ் பிரிந்தன. மெயோசிஸ் லீல் சிஸ்டர் குரோமடிட்ஸ் பிரிந்தன. கடைசியில் 4 ஹப்ளோய்ட் செல்ஸ் உருவானது. இதனால் குழந்தைகள் அப்பா அம்மாவை போல் இருப்பார்கள். ஆனால் முழுமையாக அதே மாதிரி இருக்க மாட்டார்கள். ஏனெனில் கிராசிங் ஓவர் ஜெனடிக் வேரியேஷன் உருவாக்கும். இறுதியில் செல் ராஜா புரிந்து கொண்டது, மைட்டோசிஸ் உடலை வளர்க்கும், மெயோசிஸ் புதிய தலைமுறையை உருவாக்கும். So, students, today we understood that cell division is not just a small topic. It is the reason for growth, repair, reproduction. Remember this simple idea. Mitosis makes identical cells for growth and repair. Meiosis makes gametes for reproduction. If you understand this difference clearly, chapter 10 becomes very easy. In the next revision, focus on the stages of mitosis, stages of prophase, and differences between mitosis and meiosis. Thank you, students. Keep learning, keep questioning, and see you in the next biology lesson. Dear students, if you like simple study videos, chapter explanations, question and answer practice, and easy revision notes, please subscribe to our channel, save this playlist, and continue learning step by step. Your support motivates us to create more useful study-related videos. Thank you for watching, and keep learning. Only spoken voice. Dear students, if you like simple study videos, chapter explanations, question and answer practice, and easy revision notes, please subscribe to our channel, save this playlist, and continue learning step by step. Your support motivates us to create more useful study-related videos. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.